Today's topic revolves around the reason why most relationships fail to endure. This discussion particularly caters to individuals who seek a long-lasting relationship but seem to be facing a recurring problem of ending things after the 6-month mark. You start seeing someone you like, and everything seems to be going well initially, but the relationship loses its spark a few months down the line, and both of you part ways. Why does this happen? Before I dive into the reasons, I would like to request you to support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. The primary reason why most relationships fail to survive past the 6-month mark is due to the crisis of disillusionment. Initially, relationships are projected fantasies, and in most cases, individuals do not fully comprehend the other person's personality. They spend a few hours or days together, acquire some information, and fill in the gaps with their imagination. This is known as the halo effect. The more you're attracted to someone, the more likely you'll fill the gaps with positive attributes. In the first few months, people protect their fantasies and tend to overlook red flags that might contradict their ideal partner image. However, after accumulating a considerable amount of evidence, the projected fantasy can no longer withstand reality. The crisis of disillusionment sets in, and the spell breaks. You begin to perceive the person in front of you more accurately. This experience can be disappointing and demoralizing, particularly for those seeking limerence, the feeling of being in love, and chasing the romantic ideal of love and partnership. But it is important to note that every relationship goes through the crisis of disillusionment at some point. The question then becomes whether there is enough left to build a relationship upon in reality. Building a shared vision of the future becomes the primary objective at this point. Everything up to the crisis of disillusionment is merely a prelude to the actual relationship. It's not about finding the perfect partner, but about creating a shared experience with someone you love. One way to improve our chances for a long-term partnership is to focus on developing emotional intelligence and effective communication skills. Emotional intelligence involves being aware of our own emotions and those of others, as well as being able to manage them effectively. Effective communication skills involve being able to express our needs, wants, and feelings clearly and respectfully, as well as being able to listen actively and empathetically. Another important factor is to make sure that both partners are on the same page when it comes to their goals and values. It's important to discuss and negotiate these things early on in the relationship to ensure that both partners are working towards the same things. Ultimately, maintaining a long-term relationship requires effort, commitment, and a willingness to work through challenges and conflicts. It's important to approach the relationship with an open mind and a willingness to learn and grow together. In conclusion, all relationships require work, and the crisis of disillusionment is just one of the hurdles to overcome. It's essential to keep in mind that a relationship is not a fairy tale, but a journey with ups and downs. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel to support us in delivering more informative content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, goodbye.